Hello student, welcome to Sentencer online classes. We all are working from home. Student, in previous video we had discussed about the plane wavefront and what happened when this plane wavefront or spherical wavefront incident on any lens or mirror. In this video we discussed about Huygens principle of secondary wavelets. Huygens principle for secondary wavelets. Student, basically Huygens give a method or geometrical construction to obtain the new location of wavefront if its previous location of wavefront are given. It means if we have given a previous location of wavefront and we have to find the new location after 2 seconds or 3 seconds, then by using Huygens principle of secondary wavelets we can determine or we can draw the new location of wavefront. So let's start. So according to Huygens principle of secondary wavelets, each particle on wavefront or primary wavefront act as a new or fresh source of light and emit secondary wavefront called secondary wavelets or simple wavelets. Student, consider this is a spherical source of light. Now we draw a shape of wavefront or location of wavefront at any instant time t equal to 0. So according to Huygens, each particle on this primary wavefront, this is a primary wavefront and consists of infinite numbers of particles which exist in same phase. So according to Huygens, each particle on the primary wavefront act as a fresh source of light and emit secondary wavefront, which is known as wavelets. So all the particles emit secondary wavefront or wavelets. It's a very important point. So according to Huygens, each particle on primary wavefront act as a fresh source of light and emit a wavefront, which is known as secondary wavefront or wavelets. Now Huygens state that the speed of these wavelets is same as speed of light or speed of primary wavefront. Speed of the secondary wavelets is same as the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum. Or primary wavefront. Student, I recall first point of this principle is each particle on the wavefront act as a fresh source of light and emits wavefront called secondary wavefront or wavelets. And second point of this principle is speed of these wavelets. It is clear that wavelets flow in forward direction. So speed of these wavelets is equal to speed of light or equal to speed of primary wavefront. So please pause the video and note in your notebook. Now student, third point of this principle is very important. It also known as Huygens construction. By help of Huygens construction, we can capable to draw the new location or new shape of wavefront if previous one is given. So Huygens give a geometrical construction. To draw the new location of wavefront if previous location of wavefront is given. So student, to understand the Huygens construction, consider a spherical source of light S, and initially the spherical wavefront produced by the spherical source S at t equal to 0 is W1. Now we have to draw the new location of this wavefront after any period of time, that is after 2 seconds, after 3 seconds, or any time t. So according to Huygens, each particle on this wavefront act as a fresh source of light. Consider P1, P2, P3, P4. Actually, this wavefront consists infinite number of particles, but I consider 4 particles P1, P2, P3 and P4. Now we have to draw the new location of this wavefront after t equal to tau second. It means we have to draw the new location of this wavefront after t equal to tau second. Now this particle emit secondary wavefront or wavelets, and the speed of the wavelets is equal to speed of light. Consider in this medium speed of light is c. Light is c. So after tau second, distance traveled by wavelets produced by P1, P2, P3, P4 or all the particles which lie in this wavefront. So distance equal to speed into time. It means d equal to c tau. So we know that after tau second, this particle P1 travel a distance ct, P2 also travel a distance ct, P3 also travel a distance c3, P4 also travel a distance ct, and all the particle on this wavefront travel a distance ct. Now to obtain the new location of or new position of this wavefront, according to Huygens, we have to draw the circle having center is P1, P2, P3, P4 and so on, and radius CT. It means draw a circle of radius CT, C into tau, and center P1. Similarly, we have to draw same identical circle having circle center P2 and radius CT. So we draw a circle considering each particle as a center and radius is equal to distance traveled by wavefront on that particular time. Now Huygens state that if we draw a tangential plane on this wavelets, we obtain the new location of wavefront after any instant time. It means at t equal to 0, the location of wavefront is W1 and new location of wavefront is W2 at any time t equal to tau second. So according to Huygens, if we draw a tangential plane on the wavelets in forward direction, we obtain the new location of wavefront. Actually, Huygens considered that energy always flow in forward direction. Let's try and consider this is a plane wavefront at t equal to 0. Now we have to draw the new location of this wavefront after t equal to tau second. So firstly draw the circle with radius CT, C into T. Similarly, draw the circle with radius CT. Draw the circle with radius CT and center as a particle. And if we draw the tangential plane on this wavelets, we obtain the new location of wavefront. It means this principle is helpful to draw the new location of wavefront if previous one is given. So please pause the video and note in your notebook.